This is the elevator at the downtown Sharon, Pennsylvania Primary Health Network Parking Garage in Sharon, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler 330 with Advantage and HT. It appears to have replaced an old Westinghouse elevator though. It's a glass elevator, scenic elevator, and it has regular HT on the inside. Goes to the roof or the 5th floor. Here we go. Pretty quick close. That sounded a little odd. You're at 5, which is the equivalent to the 3rd floor of that building. Actually, a little bit higher than the 3rd floor. I do not believe there is another elevator in this parking garage. There could be. I think that's just a stairwell over there. Painted, go back down the ground. It's a basic stainless steel Schindler cab. Keep this coupon. Lovely. There has like lights on the sides though, like the fluorescent lights are a little interesting. I think this parking garage is owned by the city, but it seems to mostly be used by Primary Health Network. It's next door. You're back at ground. Here goes, and that's going to be it.